Hello guys, let me show you a very simple way of making money on Fiverr. Fiverr is the #1 marketplace for freelancers. It is so easy using this method to make money that I believe that a new kid can even do it, and you can make about, let's say, $100 a day doing this. So let's type background remover on the Fiverr homepage. So I want to first show you that it's possible to make money doing this. And when I'm done, I will show you how to remove the background of the images. It is very simple. So many gigs here, 1,000 5-star ratings, 900 ratings, and the rest. So let me click on one and let's see how they are doing it. You can see that this guy has 1,000 5-star ratings and above, 4 others in queue. He charges $150 for the premium package of removing the background image. You can also see that we have so many. So now that you are convinced that it's possible to make money, now here's another one. You can see that he has 3 others in queue. So now that you are convinced that it is easy to make money doing this gig, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of the images. It is very simple, and you'll be able to make money, probably $100 a day doing this. So that is basically what I do in this channel. I take easyfiverrgigs and then I explain how to start these gigs and make money. So we first start by going to a website called Pixabay. I want to have an image to remove the background so that you will know that it's very easy to remove the background of the images. I will type for, let me see, woman. I think woman. I need an image with a vivid background so that I remove the background for you so that you know that it is very easy. So let me search and see. Let's search and see. So I will show you 2 methods of removing the background of the images. 2 methods. So I think this image will do. So I'll click on this. Yes, the girl boy image. Yeah, this one. Then I will download. So what I'm going to use the first method. I'm going to use an app called Adobe Photoshop. If you don't have Adobe Photoshop, don't worry, I will show you another method of removing the background. So after the image has been downloaded, now this is the image. You can clearly see it. It has a background. We are going to remove the background. After the image has been downloaded, I will upload the image into the Photoshop. I will upload the image into the Photoshop app. So that is the girl image. Let me click on it. Yes. Yeah. So this is the image. So we are going to remove the background. So first, on the right hand side, your right down side, you can see that we have background written and there's a padlock there. Click on the padlock. Yes, click on the padlock. So that when you're done, click on the padlock. Then you scroll at your right hand side. You can see remove background there. So click on the remove background. Click on it. Yes, voila, you have been able to remove the background of the image. This is what they are charging $120, $50 for on Fiverr. So you can see that it's very easy to do, and you are going to make tons of money doing this. So now that you have removed the background, you click on save a copy. You can even click on save as, but let's click on save a copy. Yes, so you can save it in any format that you want: JPEG, JPG, Photoshop, PDF, PNG, and the rest. But I will save it in PNG. So it will depend on what your client wants, the format that your client wants. So I will save mine in PNG. Yes. So I'll click on save to save my video, my picture with no background. I'll click OK. Yes. So this is what they are charging that huge sum of money for. You can see that's very easy. So let's see the final work. Yes. Before, after. So this is what they are charging that huge sum of money for. And you can do it. It's very simple. So you go to Fiverr and then you submit this and then you take your money. It's very simple. Very simple. So let me show you the second one. The second one, you're going to go to a website called Background Remover. You go to the home page. and then you upload the image that you want to remove the background. That is the one that I downloaded from Pixabay. You upload the image, and then you click on the remove background. So let's upload the image. That's the girl. Yes, this is the image. Uploading. Okay, now I just remove the background. So you go upload the image and then remove the background, and then you download, and then you go to Fiverr and then you submit it to the client, and then you take your money. It is so easy to make money on Fiverr. So what I do on this channel is I take easy Fiverr gigs that are easy to begin, and then I show you the process of creating this gig and what the gig entails so that you can make money. So please subscribe to this channel. You will not want to miss the things that I upload here. Gigs that are really going to make you money. Easy Fiverr gigs that everyone can do, that has low competition. Thank you, and see you again next time. Bye bye.